This is Kavita Edusphere. Today's our topic numbers and symbols. Numbers and symbols. The symbols 0 to 9 are called digits. Digits are 0 to 9 in arithmetic. The symbols used to represent numbers are called numerals. Numeral means nothing but a number. Number made by digits. Example 285. This 285 have 3 digits. They are 2, 8 and 5. It is a 4-digit number. We read it 7015. It is a 5-digit number. What are those 5 digits? 6, 2, 9, 1 and 6. We read it 62,916. This is a 6-digit number. 823402. We read it 8,23,402. It is a 6-digit number. What are those digits? 1 and 0. We read it 1 lakh. In 1 lakh we have 5 zeros. So every number made by digits. Please like, share and subscribe my channel.